So they need to out-innovate themselves. They need to figure out what's the future roadmap, where's the market going, and so on. And that's where we actually, all three of us, come in as well.
Good leaders, they have to make decisions, they have to enable the organization to act on those decisions, and they have to be able to create simplicity out of complexity.
Another thing that the SME can do a lot is to really, invest in young people, train up young people, give them the opportunity, give them the responsibility.
I think there's definitely one big opportunity that's still out there is how, once you've really gone through this digitalization process, how you can really better use the data. I mean, the assets that digital gives you is a huge amount of assets in data terms, and how you can transform data into intelligence.
Being sustainable means that in your manufacturing processes, you must actually have processes that actually as green as possible with minimum the carbon footprint. If you don't prepare that, then one of these days you'll be obsoleted.